Hi, I'm Gia at Yarn Nuts, and I'm really happy to be participating in the hashtag Harvest Moon Giveaway Contest 2020. Thanks to Haas at Off Kilter Homestead for inviting us to join in on your contest. I really appreciate the chance to meet new people and to check out more about the homestead community. As you can see, we have a small homestead here in southern Wisconsin. We have some beans and corn growing in the fields that a neighbor is growing, and we have a vegetable garden, and we have some fruit trees. And we've really been watching a lot of homestead channels to get tips and tricks to find out what is causing things that go wrong around here with our plants. So I wanted to say thank you so much to the homestead community for sharing your expertise and your knowledge with us, because we are watching and we really appreciate it. To tell you a little bit about Yarn Nuts, we are an online yarn store that specializes in carrying yarns from outside of the U.S. that are kind of hard to get for people who don't want to order in large quantities. We carry ice yarns and hobium yarns and a lot of other unique yarns that we try to provide at a reasonable price. So if you do any crocheting or knitting or any other craft with yarn, check out yarnnut.com and see what we have. Our YouTube channel is all about yarn hoarding, and yarn squirreling. I love yarn. So on that channel, I highlight our ice yarn unboxings and our hobium yarn hauls, and I show you what yarns we got in for the store. And I'm going to also be doing some yarn comparisons between different brands. Our first crochet along is starting this week, and it is a reversible all seasons cotton quilt. And that has summer and spring colors on one side and winter and fall colors on the other, and it's really, really fun. So if you're interested in that, check out that video for our reversible all seasons quilt. We also have our summer 2020 giveaway going on, and you can win a large tote bag of ice yarns, and that is going on until Labor Day, September 7th. You have to enter that contest. So if you're interested in that, go check that video out. So let's talk about this contest. This contest is open to people that are 18 years and older. They must live in the United States or Canada. You will have 2 days to claim your prize if you're the winner, and YouTube is in no way affiliated with this contest. On September 17th, we will be drawing a winner of the Yarn Nuts semifinal drawing from the comments on this video that have the right information in it, and we will notify that winner by email and we'll post a video. So if you'd like to know when that happens, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you know what's going on. So then we're going to forward the name of the winner to Haas at Off Kilter Homestead, and on October 1st for the Harvest Moon, he's going to be doing the final drawing. He's going to pick from each of the entries one winner, and that winner is going to win one prize from each of the participating channels. And you also should probably subscribe to his channel and hit that notification bell so you know when he does the big drawing on October 1st and has his big Harvest Moon celebration. That is so fun. We had a Christmas in July Fairies contest back in July, and Mama Swift won. She has a YouTube channel. Go check her out. She's doing an unboxing of all the prizes she won. She's doing a couple at a time because there's so many. She received over 140 prizes. So you too could win that many prizes if we have that many channels participating. Some of the channels will be giving away a prize as well for their semifinal drawings, and some will not. So make sure you read the rules and watch their videos so you know exactly how to enter properly. Yarn Nuts going to be giving away this great tote bag with some goodies inside as a prize for our semifinal drawing, and it will also be, we'll be giving the same prize away for the final drawing. So you'll have to win to find out what's going to be inside, but the value of the prize is listed in the description of the video. So to enter our contest at Yarn Nut, you will just need to comment on this video letting us know what your favorite craft or hobby is to do in the fall. And if you don't have a favorite craft or hobby, just let me know what you like about fall. We'll also need to have your email address available to us so we can notify you if you're the winner. So if you do not have your email address listed publicly on YouTube, on your YouTube channel, then you need to email it to me at yarn@yarnnuts.com, and I will keep it totally private. I will only use it if you are the winner and I need to notify you. We've had contests in the past where I couldn't notify the winner, and it was kind of a bummer. If you do not claim your prize in 48 hours, we will choose another winner, and we will do that every 2 days until I have a winner that contacts me. And let's have some fun.